Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix your DREAME D20 Plus if the brush keeps tangling with hair. If your brush keeps tangling with hair, you may want to clean it, which I'll show you in a moment. You may also want to reset or reseat it so it sits nicely and works properly. The robot is designed in a way that should rarely get hair tangled because it has dual brushes that rotate inward towards each other, which prevents tangling. You can see there are two brushes that rotate towards the center, and that actually does work. But sometimes you may want to clean them. Open the door by squeezing these two buttons together, removing the cover and taking the brush out. They are both connected together. When I take them out, I can clean them by rotating them and removing any excess hair. You can also cut the hair if they're wrapped around the brushes with scissors or a knife, but make sure not to damage the brush. You should rinse the brushes with water so they aren't sticky and don't attract hair. Now let's talk about correct installation to make sure they sit nicely. Make sure the orange brush goes into the orange hole and the gray hole for the black brush. First, install the part that connects them together into the left side of the robot. On the right side, it just freely moves. These buttons should go towards the rear of the robot, and the front has notches on the lock. Put it in, then lock it. I recommend pulling on these notches to see if the whole thing moves or just the cover tries to escape. If the cover isn't properly attached, it will move unevenly. When you pull and see the whole mechanism moves, then it's great. If none of that helped, you may want to clean it more frequently, especially if you have pets. The brush needs to be cleaned anyway, so if it gets tangled sometimes, you should just frequently clean the brushes. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.